Hello and welcome to my app Spacefit. Here we have the main page. After logging in, up top we have the facts or how to use Spacefit so that the user would know how to. On the bottom side to the left we have projects. That is where we can add and create new projects. Here in test we can add anything that the user would like to add with their sizes and dimensions. We can even share this project to the community. We'll talk about that later. We can press visualize 3D so we can see a 3D model of how they would stack up. If they don't fit, we'll get a warning. Still working on improving this, and this will be stacked as efficient as possible to keep more space and to stack things as best as possible. We have a lot of presets. For example, we can add a box and then visualize, and as you can see here, we can zoom in. You can see the box here next to the chair, fitted as best as possible. We can add more things, different sizes. See a box here, and then visualize it. As you can see, we have the box fitted as best as possible, and we have a feed section where the users can post and we can see their setup for their 10x10s. You can even use a template and then view it to recreate the same thing that the community user has posted, as well as the camera. Still working on this one. I'm still working on it. We can tap on the ground to get the height all the way down here, and we can tap at a different location to make sure that this is measured. Still working on the sizes. Once the user saves this, it will save the dimensions. The user can put their notes about it, as well as if it's a fragile item or not. If it is a fragile item, it will be stacked differently because it would be put at the bottom of the storage unit. Here we can select the projects as well, because if something's heavy, fragile, we wouldn't want to put it at the bottom so it wouldn't break. Once the user finishes, they can save the project, and it will be added onto here so that the user can use it and then visualize and see how everything else fits. That's it for now, and this was Spacefit.